Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Toyota diesel pneumatic forklift, model number 8FDU18, ID number E010084. This truck is in perfect condition because it is brand new, and it has a base capacity of 3,000 pounds, and it runs on diesel. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics with an automatic tilt leveler. Coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this currently has 42-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need 48-inch, we can make that happen. Looking at the tires, these are solid traction pneumatic tires. And we also have on this forklift, this has heavy-duty steer tires. Coming up here to the front, you'll see that these are ultra-bright LED headlights. And coming inside to the cabin, you'll see that we have dual rear view mirrors as well as a cup holder over on that right side. There's also a clipboard holder on that right side, as well as that rear pillar assist handle with horn. And you'll notice that our seat is fully adjustable in terms of forwards and backwards, and also in terms of suspension. Coming to the back, we have this yellow strobe as well as a backup alarm. So let me start her up and let you take a listen. Very smooth operation. As I mentioned, this truck is clean service and is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.